But look here, no matter when we together, especially when we the day of this your day, for find the healing space, we want to make sure God presence there any place. And for this year, we take one time and things like that. But make sure we honor them where we come for we. For make we who we be, that we be, gotta get you anointed people. So this your day. Let we take a moment of silence, especially for all the big daddy mama them from back of yonder, who learn we, who we be, and who been the place that been that healing space for plenty of we. Let we take this your moment of silence together before we start this your journey. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.